how you doing. Make sure that you leave me a comment by the end of this video, that also you like and you subscribe to my channel. If you're returning, what's up family? Thank y'all so much for tuning in every week. Make sure that you also share this video, that you leave me a comment. Let me know how you think things are going, anything that you would like to see that you have not seen. Y'all, it is like raining so bad here in Houston. So if y'all hear any thunder, it's raining cats, it's raining sheep, it's raining giraffes. Blame it on the weather, okay? So hopefully y'all don't, but just in case y'all do, because it is raining really, really bad. I wish I could show y'all, and I might just do that. But it is raining so bad here. In addition to all of that, we are going to be getting in this bomb natural hair wash, stop and go situation. It came out so good. I used two products, both of which I've used before, but I've never used them in combo. So I'm so excited to see how they come out and how this look does throughout the video. Of course, I know now what it looks like, but y'all, it's such a bomb look. So make sure that y'all look at the technique that I did and use it. Let me know how it works for you, and stay tuned to the rest of this video. Okay guys, I'm gonna start off by just taking my hair wrap off. It's just a t-shirt that I use. I'm about 15 minutes out of a shower, and it took me a little bit longer only because I had to like prep and get everything ready for this look. So I'm going to split these sections into 4 first. As I always do, y'all know I like to work in sections. I'm gonna use just a rat tail comb to part my hair. I've been loving the side parts, and so I'm gonna do a side part again today. And then I'm going to just put the rest of this in a just bundle. And to secure this, I'm gonna be using my little silver pins that I always use. They're like little clamps like this, nothing special. And I'll just put that to secure my hair. And I'll do the exact same thing to the other side as well as the back. Open. Y'all know I always leave one available so that we can start the product application process. So today in the video, I'm gonna be using EcoStyle gel again because I've been loving this in my wash and goes. I don't know why people are canceling it. I love it. And with that, I'm gonna be using the MIZANI Hairdress Coconut Souffle. I died when I used this product with Wet Lime Extreme, and so I want to test it out also with the EcoStyle gel just to see if I get the same or better or worse results. So next, I'm just going to part out the section that I'm going to be starting applying the products to, and then I'm just going to use my clamp to secure that area that I'm pushing up now. Okay, so first, y'all know I like to comb through my hair using a big tooth comb, and I comb from the ends up to the center to reduce breakage for the most part, and then I go back with the skinnier side just to make sure that everything is smooth. From there, I started by adding my cream, which is the MIZANI. I'm gonna use about that much, starting from my roots and just working it down my hair. It looked like a perm. I promise it's not a perm, but make sure that you get that all throughout your hair, including the ends, and definitely make sure that you also get your roots. From there, I'm just gonna do one more swipe with the comb. And then I'll go in with my gel product, which is going to be the Eco Style Gel. Applying it at my roots and just bringing it on down through the ends of my hair. Most of y'all know I like using the raking method and the praying hands method, so I'm going to be doing that. Right now, I'm just raking the hair. And this is just clumping together your curls really nicely. And then from there, you'll complete it with praying hands, which is just smashing them together. And it just gives so much more definition and so much more like length to my wash and goes. And so I love it. So I'm gonna continue doing that, let y'all watch this with some music, and then I'll be back whenever we get to do the rest of the process.
Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Y'all know the first thing that the next thing that I'm going to do once his hair stop hitting me in my face is lay my baby hairs. Again, because I have most of my hair on this side, I'm doing a side part. I'm not really gonna need to do much over here. I'll probably slick them just a little bit, but I'll do a little something over here using the Eco Style Gel. I'm just gonna base this on those little hairs over here. And then I'm gonna take my little edge brush that I love so much, and just begin to shape them. So I'll let y'all watch this process because it can be a little complicated. Under my mobile dryer that I love from Even Degrees Fahrenheit. This is the most efficient thing I've ever used to dry my hair. So I use it all the time, as y'all know, in many of my other videos. So I'm gonna turn this on, let this dry for about 20 minutes, and then I'll come back to you guys with the final look. Try these two products together, y'all. It has my hair feeling so moisturized and just so good. This is first day hair, okay? I haven't even really stretched this hair out. I just kind of like ran my hands through it and pulled it out, but I have not like actually stretched it or anything. It looks so good. It feels good. I'm telling y'all, these combos are real. I would not be posting them if they were not real. I think if I were posting them, then I would be telling y'all don't do this. But it looks so good. So make sure that y'all try this out. Let me know how it goes. Also share this video, get this content out to people that actually need it or that may enjoy it. Again, thank you so much for your support. I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, family.